Okay, welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you what to do when your WASD keys are swapped with your arrow keys. It's a very common problem, but the solution is also very easy. So watch the video to figure out what to do. So first, grab your keyboard, find the function key. It usually has an FN on it. Press it down, and while holding it down, press the W key. That's it. That should switch the keys between the WASD and the arrow keys. See right here. Now it's switched and I can press the WASD keys normally. And there's one more solution if that doesn't work. Check the keyboard settings. To do that, press the Windows button, press I to open the settings. Check the language and region. Time and language. Then go to language and region. Check the keyboards that it's set to the correct language. If you want English, set it to English. And if the location, the region is set to the correct region that you live in. And that's it. That should fix